How to download and install Fabric API for Minecraft Java 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Fabric API for Minecraft Java in 2026. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'll leave all the links you need in the video description, but you can also find them manually. Search for Modrinth and open the official website. Once you're on the homepage, click Discover Content, then select Mods. Now, search for Fabric API. If it doesn't appear on the homepage, simply use the search bar to find it. Open the Fabric API page, then click on the Versions tab. Choose the Minecraft version you're using, then find the matching Fabric API release and click the Download button. Next, you'll also need the Fabric Loader, since Fabric API won't work without it. Open a new browser tab and search for Fabric Minecraft. Visit the official Fabric website and click Download. On the download page, choose Download for Windows to get the Fabric installer. Once both files have been downloaded, close your browser and open File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the Fabric installer. When it opens, make sure the correct Minecraft version is selected, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click OK and close the installer. Now, open the Minecraft launcher. At the top, click Installations, then find Fabric Loader and click the folder icon to open its game directory. Inside the game folder, open the Mods folder. If you don't see one, create a new folder and name it Mods. Go back to your Downloads folder, copy the Fabric API file, then paste it into the Mods folder. That's it. Fabric API is now installed. Return to the Minecraft launcher, go to the Play tab, make sure Fabric Loader is selected, and click Play. Once Minecraft launches successfully, your installation is complete. You won't notice any changes in-game because Fabric API is a library that other Fabric mods rely on. If a mod requires Fabric API to work,